Hi dear friends, welcome to the 20th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. Question 1. Surcharge applicable to deemed income is A. 10%, B. 12%, C. 15% and D. 25%. Option D. 25%. Second one, sections 68 to 69D are related with A. Set-off of losses, B. Clubbing of income, C. Deemed incomes, D. Carry forward of losses. Option C. Deemed incomes. Third one, loss of card game can be set off against A. Income from card games only, B. Any casual income, C. Income from other sources and D. None of these. Option D. None of these. Fourth one, loss from specified business can be set off in the following: A. 4 years, B. 8 years, C. 10 years and D. Unlimited period. Option D. Unlimited period. Fifth one, loss from non-speculation business cannot be set off against A. Income from salaries, B. Capital gains, C. Income from house property and D. Income from other sources. Option A. Income from salaries. Sixth one, on which income deduction under section 80G is not allowed: A. Income from salaries, B. Income from house property, C. Short-term capital gains and D. Long-term capital gains. Option D. Long-term capital gains. Seventh one, deduction under section 80C is available to A. Individual, B. Company, C. Firm and D. All of these. Option A. Individual. Eighth one, deduction under section 80G is available to A. Individual, B. Company, C. Firm, D. All of these. Option D. All of these. Ninth one, Mr. A is getting HRA rupees 2000 per month from employer. He is living in a rented house at a rent of rupees 1500 per month. He is eligible for deduction under section 80GG up to A. rupees 24,000, B. rupees 18,000, C. rupees 32,000 and D. None of these. Option D. None of these. 10th one, Mr. Arun donated to a political party rupees 5,000 in cash and rupees 1,000 by check. He is entitled to deduction under section 80GGC for A. rupees 5,000, B. rupees 1,000, C. rupees 6,000 and D. None of these. Option B. rupees 1,000. Thank you for watching this video.